How to delete your Shopify account permanently. So if you want to delete your account, you first need to download this app. You can find it on Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. So once you have downloaded the app, just make sure to launch the app. And once you are logged in, as you can see, I have logged into my account at the top left. You just want to tap on your profile at the top left. And here you will see an option to delete account right below logout. So you just want to tap on delete account. And here it will ask you for your email. So just choose your email and make sure to delete your account. If you tap on delete, it will redirect you to your Google account. So just choose your account and it will again ask you for your confirmation if you really want to delete your account. So as you can see, this will permanently delete this email and the stores owned by this account. So if you have any stores connected to your account, it will also be deleted. So if you know the consequences and still want to continue, just tap on delete. And as you can see, the account has successfully been deleted. Now you can log into another account if you want. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.